Alright, quick one. So we are asked to find the sum. Sum means addition. So we are asked to add these two polynomials together. Without wasting much time, what we'll do is to group them in brackets. So we have 5x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 plus 4xy minus 6y squared. Please put it in bracket, put your sum because there's a sum. If it's minus, you put your minus because it will help when opening the bracket. 7x minus 2xy plus 4xy squared minus 5. So we now open the bracket and bring everything together. So we have 5x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 plus 4xy minus 6y squared plus 3x squared plus 7x squared minus 2xy plus 4xy squared minus 5. Now, why are we having plus times this is still plus times minus is minus, plus times plus is plus, and so on and so forth. Now, the next thing is for us to collect like terms. The one with variable x raised to the power 3 will bring it together. If there is any other raised to the power 3, we'll bring it together. If there is no raised to the power 3, we'll continue collect like terms. So here we only have raised to the power 3 once. So we have 5x raised to the power 3, then plus we have this 3x raised to the power 2. We have another plus 3x raised to the power 2. Is there any? Okay. Plus 7x raised to the power 2. Okay. X is done. So let's go to power 1. Any x raised to the power 1 here? No. So we now go to xy. So we now have plus 4xy. Is there any other xy? Xy, then minus 2xy. So we are done. Which other place we have xy? Raised to the power of 2. Okay, here we have plus 4xy squared, then minus 6y squared. Any other thing, then minus 5. So here we have a 5x raised to the power 3 plus these two. We have a 6x raised to the power 2. Sorry, with this we have to add 7 too. This 6x plus this, that will give you 18x raised to the power of 2. This minus this, you have plus 2xy. Look at what we have here. This 2 is different from this. So we have a plus 4xy squared minus 6y squared minus 5. So if you look at this, if you think there is any other thing we need to do here, fine. Or if not, we can just leave our answer like this. So this is the sum of this whole thing we are given to do. Is that okay? The reason why we don't need to add these two is because here we don't have x, but here we have x. So these two are different terms entirely. Okay, just as this and this, you can't add them together because they are not of the same terms. Irrespective of y is raised to power 2, y is raised to power 2, but these two are different, so you can't add or subtract them. Then you leave your answer this way. So this is the sum you were asked to look for. So here we are asked to find the difference. Okay, the difference means subtraction. So we'll be subtracting everything from this. Remember, like I told you before, put it in a bracket so it will be easier when using the subtraction sign to open the bracket. So this is 5x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 4xy minus 6y squared. Then minus, because it's difference, 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 7x raised to the power of 2 minus 2xy plus 4xy squared minus 5. Here we are going to use this minus to open this bracket, and if minus is opening the bracket, all these signs will change to its opposite. This will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. So you have 5x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus 4xy minus 6y squared, and this gives you minus 3x squared minus 7x squared. Okay, then plus 2xy minus 4xy squared plus 5. Now let's collect like terms. This gives you 5x cubed plus 3 x squared. We don't have any other cube, so pick this. Which other 3x squared? So we have minus 3x squared minus 7x squared. We're done. Then we now have this plus 4xy. Which other? Plus 2xy. So which other one? We now move to this. Then minus 6y squared. Any other y squared? Then minus 4xy squared and plus 5. Now note, plus 3x squared minus this, so this will cancel because we are subtracting. So 5x raised to the power of 3. We now have minus 7x raised to the power of 2. This plus this, you now have plus 6xy. Then minus 6y squared minus 4x squared. 4xy squared and plus 5. This will become your answer. Okay, so this is the difference when you're asked to do this two. The difference of polynomials. Okay. All right. So we have this. We are asked to solve, meaning these two are multiplying. Now this can be written as 6x minus 3y in case question comes this way in exam. If you have it like this, it's still the same thing, shows they are multiplying even without this symbol here, shows they are multiplying. Now what you will do is you have to open the bracket first. Okay, so in opening the bracket, 6x will multiply 2x, that is 6x times 2x. We have our plus 6x will multiply 5y, that is 6x times 5y, then minus 3y times 2x, and this, then minus 3y times 5y. So this is how you open the bracket. Okay, now the difference between multiplication and addition and subtraction is that multiplication, the two variables, even if they are different, can multiply each other. For addition, you can't add two different variables together. So this times this, we have 12x. The bases are the same. You pick one, then you add the power. Plus you have this times this, you have 30 xy. The x and y will multiply, you have xy. Then minus this times this, you have 6xy. Then minus this times this, you have 15y, 1 plus 1. The bases are the same. You add the power. We have power of 1, power of 1. So this gives you 12x squared plus 30xy minus 6xy minus 15y squared. If you want to simplify, you have 12x squared plus this minus this, you have 24xy minus 15y squared. So this is the solution to this problem you are asked to solve. Okay, all you have to do, all the videos that you do is always take note of the signs: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They are very, very important and key when it comes to mathematics. Take care.